Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to cover something really quickly which a lot of guys do ask, and that is how do you replace your badges for some painted ones? Okay, so as you can probably see, overnight we've had some white powdery stuff fall from the sky and it's turned the roads into absolute mayhem. So one of the little details I was going to do before putting this car up for sale was replace these badges. So let's get to it. All you're going to need is some dental floss and a drill with a caramel wheel on the end. I'll post a link in the description below. These things are absolutely fantastic for any kind of glue or tar removal, and they're only about £6 or £7. Okay, so as a trial run, I've already replaced the original TT badge with these lovely black ones here, and I think you'll agree it looks a damn sight better than this hideous badge that somebody had decided to paint with a silver paintbrush. So what I want to do now is get this Audi badge changed. Now, like I said earlier, all we're going to use is some dental floss and the drill with the caramel wheel. So I've already started on this badge because I didn't want to waste everybody's time. So what we do is literally put it in there. You'll probably go through quite a bit of dental floss because it does tend to snap, but then as soon as you get through it, there we go. The badge is off and it will leave the sticky behind. So that is where the caramel wheel comes into play. All we do is dry this off. Okay, so now we get the wheel and we're just going to use the edge to get rid of this glue material that's on the side here. There we go, that is now completely removed any glue or any residue from the original badge. Now I'm going to do is make sure that it is completely dry with some paper towel before fitting the new badge. There's a little bit left. There we go. Try and get it where the original one kind of was. Just see the outline of the original badge. Okay, so all in all, for 5 minutes worth of work, £10 for the badges and £5 for the caramel wheel, it makes an absolute massive difference to your car. The small little details like this, I think, make the biggest improvements, and I'm really happy with how this rear end looks. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.